Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing my chibi version of Ragatha from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. We'll start with a circle for the left one. And then inside, let's add another circle. And then 2 angled ovals in the middle to form a neck shape. Now let's move over, and for the right eye, let's draw a slightly longer oval. And then let's add a curve inside at the top. Now on top of this line, let's add some curves for the eyelashes. Now top down, and in the bottom section, let's draw another oval. And then add a circle inside the top right. And color the rest of it in black. That's it for the eyes. Now let's move in between and let's draw the nose with a small triangle. And then an angled curve underneath on the left for the mouth. That's it for the face. Now let's move up and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center, and let's draw 2 angled lines down and out. Then from the top, let's draw a curve up and down. And then close off the bottom of each piece of hair. Now let's add another piece in the same way on both sides. Now on both sides, we're going to draw a longer piece of hair. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve down. And the same on the right. Then from the top, let's curve it up and bring it down. And then close off the bottom of each one. Now top to the sides, and let's draw another piece that's slightly lower. And then let's hop up and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And the same on the right. Now on both sides, let's move up and let's draw another angled piece going out. And then for the last set of pieces, we're going to start in the middle and let's draw a curve up and out. And finish off each of the pieces in the same way. And that's it for the hair. Next, let's move on top and let's draw the bow. On top in the center, let's draw 2 angled lines up and a line across the top. Now from the top corners, let's curve it up and out. And then curve it back down at the ends. And lastly, inside, let's add one more curve. Now that we're done the hair, let's move back down and finish drawing the bottom of the head. In between the hair, let's draw a curve across. And that's it for the head. Now let's start drawing the body. Let's start underneath, and let's start with 2 diagonal lines down, and then shorter ones on the outside. And then connect it with angled lines to form the collar. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then add a curved rectangle at the bottom for the waistband. Next, let's move to the sides and let's draw the sleeves. Let's start with a curve out and back in on both sides. Then underneath, let's draw an angled line down and a wavy line back into the body. Now underneath, let's add the arms and hands. Let's start with 2 angled lines down from both sides. Now from the inside, let's draw a small curve down. And then from the outside line, let's angle it out. And then another larger curve underneath. Next, let's move back in and let's draw the bottom part of the dress. Let's start from the sides of the waistband and let's draw a curve down. And then continue it below the hands. And then close off the bottom with a wavy line. Now that we're done the dress, let's move inside and let's add the patch pattern. In the top section, let's draw a small square. And then add some stitch lines on the sides. Now let's do one on the left side. And then one inside the waistband on the left. Now in the bottom skirt, let's draw a larger one on the left. And a smaller one on the bottom right. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 lines down. And then angled lines from the outside. And then close off the bottom of each leg with a curve. And then inside each one, let's draw a curve across at the bottom. And that's it for Chibi Ragatha. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!